Thank you for tuning in to Natural Healing. I am Ray Canty, and today's subject is 2 cases of coronavirus found in Fulton County, Georgia. Now, I know that like on Friday or Thursday, they said that they hadn't had any cases in Georgia, and all of a sudden we got 2 now. Let's get into the video.
Tonight with breaking news, 2 confirmed cases of coronavirus right here in the state of Georgia.
Yeah, less than an hour ago, Governor Brian Kemp confirmed it's 2 people who live in the same house. One just returned from Italy. We are following every development in this story. These are the first cases that we have seen of that virus here in Georgia, now joining 14 other states with confirmed cases of the coronavirus.
All right, so this is what we know. We have team coverage for you on the governor's announcement and how the coronavirus is putting travelers' trips in limbo. 11 Live's Chanu Hurd joins us live from the state capitol. Chanu?
Yeah, Governor Brian Kemp confirms that there are now 2 confirmed cases of the coronavirus here in Georgia, both of those in Fulton County. Now, again, both of those people live in the same home, as you mentioned. Governor Brian Kemp says one of those individuals was in Italy. He got the coronavirus, came home, and then the other individual living in the same house caught that coronavirus as well. Now, what we do know tonight is that both of them are not in the hospital. They're at home, isolated. Governor Brian Kemp continues to urge Georgians not to panic, and his team is on top of this.
Our team is working around the clock to gather information about these cases, monitor developments, and determine any exposure. We feel confident that our preparations have enabled us to manage these cases appropriately and minimize any risk moving forward.
Now, health officials say they are keeping a close eye on both of these individuals, staying on top of this case, and they will continue to search for any contacts to ensure that this coronavirus doesn't spread in the community.
I'm Hope Ford at the Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport. Delta Airlines will suspend all flights to Milan, Italy until at least early May. Now, this comes after the CDC issues coronavirus travel-related restrictions to 6 countries, and that includes Italy. 3 other countries remain on the do not travel list, and they include China, South Korea, and Iran. Japan is at level 2. Hong Kong is at level 1. And as you can see, for the rest of the world, there are no travel restrictions, and that includes here domestically. There are no travel restrictions right now in the U.S. Now, some of the people I talked to here at the airport, they weren't concerned, but others, they just don't want to take any chances.
We're just trying to be careful, especially in areas like airports and where we have a lot of concentration of people.
Clacia's cousin is headed to Rio de Janeiro, where there's 2 confirmed cases of the coronavirus.
I gave her gloves, masks, Lysol wipes. Please disinfect your seat before you touch anything.
The family covered their faces in the airport. Better safe than sorry, they said. But others just don't see any reason for alarm.
Honestly, no worries at all, no. I don't really see a lot of people wearing the masks or anything, so I think that's why I'm not as concerned.
The Global Business Travel Association warns the virus could cost the travel industry close to $560 billion this year in revenue, and that could lead to job loss. Still, airlines are doing whatever they can to help travelers. Delta is waiving change fees on flights to China, Italy, and South Korea through April 30th. American, Alaska, United, and Amtrak airlines also offer different travel waivers.
And if you want to give yourself some extra reassurance, you can purchase Cancel for Any Reason insurance. It allows you to be reimbursed as long as you cancel that trip 48 hours prior to your departure. It is more expensive than normal insurance, so you definitely want to read that fine print. Now, if you want to go ahead with your plans, you don't want to cancel your trip, just make sure you're washing your hands for that recommended 20 seconds, wiping down those tray tables and the armrests. It is still the top way the CDC recommends to prevent any illness.
All right, really good advice there, Hope. Thanks a lot. You know, now here's some of the common symptoms of the coronavirus: fever, cough, shortness of breath. These symptoms can appear anywhere between 2 to 14 days after exposure to the deadly virus.
Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe button. Until the next video, this is Ray Canty, and we out of here.